Today we're looking for a real submarine. Let's use our underwater drone and see what's hidden underwater. Okay, now I definitely see something. Oh, yeah. What is that? Is that a rocket? Hello everybody, it's me Danny. You're watching Slav's Adventures channel, and today we are doing magnet fishing. We got here today because of this comment. So you may read it right now. And I'm not quite sure that this comment is true, but we're here to check anyway. I'll be happy to find anything in here. Let's see if there is actually something about the submarine in here. Oh, and I started, wait a minute, started to feel something already. Algae again. I mean, it's like -5 degrees Celsius in here, and algae are still in there. What's up with that? Let's take a look. Jeez, nothing. However, I felt something pretty heavy in that direction. It wasn't the armchair though. I actually have an idea. Alright, I see it. I see it. It was actually so heavy and we couldn't get it out with only one magnet, so I asked our cameraman to help me, and right now the camera is filming by itself. Huh. Just kidding. We have 2 cameramen. Okay, let's take a... Whoa! Jeez, what that thing is? Looks some kind of a part of an engine or something. Get it out. Look. Oh yeah. Jeez, this thing is so heavy. This thing probably was inserted somewhere so it would rotate. Maybe it was a part of, like, I don't know, the mechanism of steering in this submarine. Maybe not. Who knows? Guys, if you know, let us know in the comments, because I do not know many things about submarines. But anyway, that's a very good and heavy first find. Let's keep on moving. Alright, so let's see what we got there. Oh, is that it? Oh no, it isn't. Okay, now I definitely see something. Oh yeah. Things like binoculars or something. Let's get it and bring it. No, it's not binoculars. I mean, it's so difficult to see anything in here because it's dirt and like algae everywhere. Kind of getting closer. This thing is huge though. Oh yeah. Don't see a thing. See a thing. Okay, so yeah, we got here. Let's take a look at what that thing is. Alright, so we got this thing closer to the surface. Let's just unclench the claw. Yep. Okay. Now I just can't take it out. What's that thing? Yo! What is that? I mean, I've seen this kind of things in submarines, but as of now, I do not recall how it's named. Maybe you can tell me, guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments what this thing is called. And well, yeah, that's the start for our magnet fishing that we got using our underwater drone. But unfortunately, it is way too cold for it to operate, so it ran out of battery. That's why we will continue with just a magnet. Next one. So alright guys, so actually you may let us know in the comments, would you like more magnet fishing or the videos where we use our underwater drone to find something, or maybe finds that we got in the ice. So you may watch some videos by using this hint, and it's getting close to the season of actually icing, so to say. Let's see, algae. Okay, see, I felt something there. Probably it slipped again. Also, algae do not help at all. Oh yeah, there is something. There is. Alright, what is that? There's some kind of a handle, and what's that? Huh, is that some kind of a device that measures something? But I don't know what it is. Oh, there's a worm there. And 2. Okay, anyway, let's keep going with our magnet fishing. Alright, let's go! Jeez. Actually, guys, I've got a question for you. Did you ever feel like you wanted to go underwater in a submarine to see some marine life underwater? Or probably to see something which has drowned long ago? Oh, by the way, I feel there's something heavy. I will be very gentle. I probably would. Yeah, I'll probably go to see Titanic, you know what I mean? That would be a thrilling experience, but for this, we still need to create some kind of a submarine that can go that deep for civilians to use. Oh, look! We already see it. This thing is getting closer to the surface. Man, it always slips when it gets close. Okay, I feel it. I feel the tension here. This thing is huge. Can we get it? Come on, come here. Okay, got it. Probably I will have to just take it with my bare hands. Not bare. It just slips and I can't find the grip. Okay. Oh, what's that? What is this thing? It also measures something, you see? There's a scale from 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5. Probably something very important though. Yeah, if you guys know, let us know in the comments. Those finds are kind of strange, and we need the help of experts in submarines. It splashed on my face. And so also, guys, there were some popular comments like this, and that. So you keep asking, guys, where's Slav? Where's Slav? When I told him about this story, about this comment, he was like, no, I will not go and like try to take one more submarine. I've already found one in this video though. So he was like, I don't need that. And I thought, yeah, I'll do it myself then. Okay, there was something. I felt it on the magnet. Algae do not help at all. Maybe it's here. Yeah! Something here. What's that? Looks like a kind of a headlight of a submarine. Or maybe there was kind of a lamp which was hanging in like the rooms for sailors, actually. What do you think, guys? Well, actually, you know, guys, it's pretty strange for me to think that there were submarines, because, well, there is one bridge, there's second bridge, and like, I think that the water level is too low, but probably back in the days it was way higher. What do you think, guys? Okay, and I started to feel something really heavy. By heavy, oh, I see something. Not only algae, there's something else to it. Okay, there's a handle. Stop right there. Okay, what's that? I don't know. Maybe it was some kind of a pipe in a submarine, and well, yeah, it was transmitting something because there is a valve, so it may be blocked or unblocked. This thing is very heavy as well. Whew. What could it be? What could they transmit in there? Maybe it was used for water, or maybe for, I don't know, heating up everything. Maybe electricity, who knows? Okay. Yeah, I heard the sound. It's slipping because of algae again. Okay. What's that? It is probably another lamp or something. Yeah, it looks like one. So yeah, that's the second lamp that we found from the submarine. Pretty interesting, but I thought lamps in a submarine would be bigger. And actually, this one is lighter than this one. I do not know what that means, but it means something for sure. Oh yeah. Let's continue. You know what, guys? I almost forgot that we are now at 2 million subscribers. So thank you very much. Thanks for your support. Thank you for watching our videos. And well, yeah, what if we try to get to like 3 million before Christmas? Anyway, If you like what you see, do not forget about the likes and the comments. It's very, very important. Okay, and yeah, I got something. Look at that. Look at that. So that looks like a steering wheel, but like small one. Oh no, it's not a steering wheel. That's a valve. And you know, actually, I thought we would get more of these kind. Because, well, in my imagination, submarine looks like this. So like there are a lot of valves, a lot of things to twirl and so on. But so far we've got only one. Yeah, we've got more lamps than valves. That's pretty sad, but doesn't matter. We have to keep going. And for the next throw. Wow. Let's see. Oh. That's something very, very heavy. The heaviest find for today. So, do not sleep, please. What is that? It slipped, but anyway. No way. Is that what I think it is? No way. It's actually a rocket. Oh my god. It was so heavy to get it out. We are happy that it didn't explode though, because any second it may go boom, and we're done for good. But I think, guys, that we'll be finishing for today because we need to call feds. We need to do something with this rocket. We cannot keep it to ourselves, basically, because it will be very dangerous. All right, and before we end, let's get 9,000 likes under this video, and if we hit that, I'll try to talk to Slav so he would actually go diving in here. Second cameraman, start calling feds already. Yeah, it was me, Danny. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. I said call!